In Thanksgiving of 2020, there was a tremendous fire that broke out here at the Anchorage Regional Landfill, and we did everything we could to get that fire put out so we could continue normal operations. But then in August of 2023, we started to see leachate showing up outside the liner. We immediately contacted the authorities, and together we worked to assess the situation and figure out what is actually going on here in the landfill. So today we're going to share with you what we are planning to do and how it may impact you.
So the fire that we're talking about happened about 150 feet away from here, under all this trash that you see behind me. The thing that we're concerned that happened is that fire impacted our liner system. The liner system of the landfill here is designed to keep everything away from the environment. We bury the trash here to lock it away like a big giant vault. We do that by including the liner here. And underneath this, we actually have a secondary liner that acts like a bulletproof gas tank if you get a hole in here. On top of all this, we have all this gravel that protects the liner. Part of the reason why we're concerned that we had an issue over here with the fire and why we observed the leach seep last year was all of the activities that we had to do to fight that fire, which included bringing equipment and personnel down on top of the liner, but we normally would never do that except for the fire. The project that we're talking about this year will be excavating out all this trash behind me so that we can find where that leach seep is coming from.
Upon detection of the leak, we immediately notified the authorities and began containment and collection efforts, which we retained the majority of the liquid. This is one of the down gradient wells from cell 9. This is where samples are taken on a monthly basis to determine if anything is coming out of the landfill. To date, there's been no impact of leachate in the groundwater. Leachate is any precipitation, for those of you that do not know, that passes through a municipal landfill through the refuse. Whether it be rain or snow, eventually it makes its way down to the bottom of the landfill, where the lowest system is the leachate collection system, gathers it all up and disposes of it in the leachate ponds.
Here at Solid Waste Services, we take safety as our absolute #1 priority, and because of that, because of the fact that the fire likely was caused by a lithium battery, we imposed a policy where all lithium batteries cannot be buried here at the landfill anymore. If you have lithium batteries, you need to take them to our household hazardous waste, where we can help you to safely dispose of these batteries. We're gonna get to the bottom of this, literally, one way or another. But peeling back 3 years worth of garbage it's gonna be smelly. So when you're driving past the landfill this summer, it might smell a little extra smelly, but just know that we're doing everything we can to mitigate this problem and move on with operations as normal here at the Anchorage Regional Landfill.